cellar, not to you. Get.
This is a robbery. Open the register, now.
$1's that damn important to you? Fine, then, I'll open the register.
We ain't done yet. I want to see what's in that basement of yours.
Nothing to no worse down there, I swear.
Well, why don't I be the judge of that? Open it, now!
All right, all right. Now what? You buy yourself some whore and guzzle yourself silly? Huh. All right, you got what you wanted now, so just leave. You know, you could always come back after he wakes up.
You just stay away from me.
Now, what'd I tell you about talking to your pa that way?
Oh, thank God.
He can't see I only do it for his own good.
Why are you wearing that sailor suit?
That crazy maniac put me in it. He thinks I'm his kid's son. Kidnapped me, he did. Do I look like a kid?
Always in such a rush to grow up these days, aren't they?
Just what the hell is going on here?
He was being a bad little boy, stealing candy from the store again. It's for his own good.
I'm not your little boy, you mad son of a bitch. Please help me. He's got me chained up here.
Don't take him away from me. He's all I got.
Please don't listen to that maniac. He ain't my father.
I can't lose him. Not again. Don't shoot me, please. Just leave us be.
No, the chains! Shoot the chains! Oh, finally! Thank you. Thank you. Oh, you sick
I'm sorry.
son of a-
Please forgive me. I know it was wrong. I just couldn't face that he was gone. I was teaching Sammy how to hold the rifle proper out by the river.
The recoil shot him backwards.
He slipped into the river. The water pulled him downstream so quick. It all happened so fast, I didn't know what to do.
I searched up and down that riverbank for days.
But I couldn't find my boy. I just miss him so much.
And you!
You remind me of him.
You look just like him.
I'm so sorry. Please forgive me.
It's too late for apologies. You just count yourself lucky that I don't kill you for what you did.
Don't know what else you want from me. Take what you want. I don't care anymore.